So today, going down to Oakland to check out a little Toyota Tacoma. Pretty psyched about it. I need a second vehicle super bad because this truck here is my work truck now, and it's just always super loaded down with gear. So if I can get this little pickup and it's as clean as it looks, I'll be pretty psyched. And then I can go to the grocery store again and buy groceries and, you know, put my girlfriend's dirt bike in the back of it. And when I get a pit bike pretty soon here, I can do the same. We can go ripping, shred the gnar, that sort of thing. So anyways, we'll see what happens. Pretty psyched about it though. It's exactly what I've been looking for. A pretty good deal, lower than all the others price-wise. And should be a good little road trip getting out of Grass Valley. Coming in hot. Stuff's all sliding around back there. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Trying to do somewhat of a daily vlog thing. Not daily, I wish, not yet. More like a weekly vlog. I might combine a bunch of stuff together. We'll see what happens. But yeah, that's the dealio. Pretty sure they were there before me, but they hesitated, so we're rolling. Just got to Zach's house. Let's see what he's doing. What's going on? Attack dog here. Oh. We are about an hour out. Getting there. Oh my gosh. No, I'm not doing it. No, I'm not doing it. It's so embarrassing. That's not embarrassing. Yo, look at this guy's car. Crazy.